Yeah, hi loves. So I just received these packages from Jumia, and from here you can see it's a microwave. And but first let's unbox this one. This is a mixer. I've always wanted to get this mixer from Jumia ama anywhere, but sasa venye hii offer ilitokea, imagine I got this one for 300 and ilikuwa 3 something. Yeah, ilikuwa 300 and something. I can't see the price, but nilipa I think 336. And this mixer normally inakwanga 1,000 plus, so this was a steal. So this is how it comes with these two thingies, sijui zinaitwaje. And then it came with, oh my god, iko na hizi tuchuma tuote. And then it has now the mixer itself. And yeah, and I can't even wait to use this one. Inakaa hivi. When I assemble this, it will be looking like this. And if you don't know, it's for maybe mixing. It's for mixing basically, because it's a mixer. Ni ya kumix maybe unga na maji nikipika pancakes ama ama nini ama mayai nikipika mayai. Like this one will come in handy. And then this is the big package, and I'm so excited about this microwave. For the longest time I've always wanted to, smells me ready, but I was going to get one. And then when this offer came by, I grabbed this chance and I got myself this dispenser, and it's so affordable. Imagine I got this dispenser for 7,000, I think 399, because had delivery ilikuwa 7,500. Imagine how nice is that. Here, so I got myself a Roach dispenser microwave, and then you can see it's automatic. And what niwakaribishie guys, I don't know if you guys can see. So let's unbox together. Sijui kama hii side ni ya juu ama ni ya chini. But no, I'm so excited. I'm so happy, by the way. This is among the best purchases that I have made this year. So it's heavy, by the way. So yes. Hey guys, inakaa nice. It looks so good. Yeah, so itakuwa inakaa hapa. So this is how it looks like, guys. Oh yeah, here we have a button. Shamba nayo. Here I have this button. When nitakuwa nafinya ndio inafunguka. And then it came with yeah, of course a manual. Ama si manual. Yeah, and then it came with a plate, of course, guys. Venye hizi vunjika. So this is the plate, guys. And yeah. Haka? Oh, guys, me, I'm learning these things. I've never had a dispenser. Oh, I've never at a dispenser. They do currently. So that's how I dispense. Shit. Guys, this is how my microwave looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm so in love. Yeah, so I got it from Jumia. Just in case you want to get yourself a microwave, you better grab this chance and get yourself a microwave. Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Let me feel so showing up with you. Kika na hii budget. Guys, this is the situation with my hair right now. Crazy, right? This is the hair that I was done in beauty space. Ilikuwa crochet. Yeah, then I've not undone this to matuta, but I'll do that. But in the meantime, I want to shave my armpits and my underarms. Let me just use a decent word. I want to shave my underarms, armpits, and down there, like I want to shave generally, yeah. And then I want to take a shower and by the way, it's on Sunday. Hi loves, welcome back to welcome to for real. Okay guys, let me come back and talk. Message za M-Pesa nini nanifurahishanga. Nini mdem mwingine hapo amenitumia nimuadvertise man. Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you, today is on Sunday. It's such a boring, you know. Yeah, so you guys know how Sundays can be boring. Sundays can be boring. Kwanza Sunday majioni, they can be so boring. So we have just been indoors. As you guys can see from the background, I'm not at my place. I was actually editing a vlog for you guys to watch, and I'm trying to record. It's such a, not even a boring Sunday, but Sundays can be boring sometimes. Sundays zinanipianga vibe ingine ya kitambo, like the time that I was living in the village, kitambo nikiwa mdogo, and Sundays used to be really boring. If I'm not outside, zinanipianga tu hiyo vibe, chilled, boring, sometimes sad. Sunday is not one of my favorite days, but anyway, welcome back to a new vlog. Apparently I want to take a shower and feel like ndonisikia kama will feel nice. Just in case we are going to leave the house, I'm going to update you guys. But welcome, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a very sweet comment, and also follow me on Instagram at Naomikiki. And yeah, let's get started. I like it wet. Yes.
Yeah, my hair wet.
Me too. I had to wet mine.
It's dripping.
Shika hivi. I'm just trying. Inakaa better.
Okay, una record.
Hi love, so this is my outfit of the day. It's so cute. Oh my god. So I am carrying this bag. By the way, we are going outside. I didn't even tell you. We are going outside. I'm wearing this top and this skirt that is so gorgeous. I have this jacket, and then of course, because nywele yangu inakaa wazimu, I had to put on my wig. And yeah, that's it about my outfit today. I'll see you guys on the other side of the world. Is so beautiful. I wish to ingekuwa place yenye mimi naishi. It's so beautiful. It don't matter is the last if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. It don't matter is the last if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. This tumemalizana na nini huko kwenye tulikuwa. We didn't see anything interesting apart from the gym. He wanted to spoil me, by the way. but we didn't find an interesting Indian restaurant, I know. But honestly, you know, today is on Sunday, hakuna watu, so we just inquired about the gym. Actually, I wish I lived around here in a car vizuri. It looks so good. Yeah, so I know you can say Surini to join. Yeah, so we
company better.
Yeah, ingekuwa better. I wish tulikuwa tunapata.
I know.
So yeah, so we just came somewhere, just around to buy something, then we head home. Yeah, I'll see you guys around. So we just having chips masala. Tena venye imekuwa rahisi na tungerudi. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Tumeenda tukavio the houses, but you know how the caretakers can be sometimes huwezi chukua. I really wanted to record the houses for you guys, but unfortunately we were not able to. The guy was following us all over. Yeah, alafu another thing ningechukua, but they were so dark, design yenye hata video ingekaa too weird. So hatujapata smart and they are so expensive. Imagine each one of them was going for 23k. Zote? And they were so tiny na ni 1 bedrooms. Alafu the lighting was not nice, it was shitty. Yeah, they were so dark. But anyway, I'll see you guys around.
Holder for the candles, but I got paper towel holder in black because the one I had was the gold one, and it's just a bit too tacky.
Katai ni wangu lakini naona niwape namba yake, mumpigie muniombee pesa ya salon. Dodoe afadhali nitoboke commission by the way.
I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Baby,
out here looking like it's a bad hair day though. Nakafiti sana. Guys, imagine I have a blow dry. I really wanted to do my hair, But guess what? Imagine sina hii adapter. My blow dry ni ile ya nini mbili, 2 hooks tuwili. So I had to go and buy this. So I'm out here looking like an understanding girlfriend. I look like 50,000. Walai. Yeah, hata mngejifanya tumeshtuka. Hujashtuka? Hujashtuka?
You can break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. You bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their lust if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass. Just let me know if you down. Rules if you down. Maybe we could break the
Hey, Zue.
bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their lust if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Actually, this is not even a new vlog. So today is on Friday, and clearly you guys know that from the vlog, if you have been watching this vlog, you know that I'm not in my place. So I came to bring this one to do her shopping, and then I wanted a few things because I'm going home in a few, and I picked a few things here. Alafu ni kubwa, niliona ni kubwa design yenyewe.
Yes, 6 pieces.
Hivi.
Hizi za maduve.
Nachukia za maduve. Hata wasilaji yangu iliraruka.
Hazikuangi poa.
Hazikaangi. Alafu huwa zinafade.
Hazikaangi hadi.
So the guys is grey. Inakaa fit, ni grey. I have a small injury. Lia liniuma. Nilikuwa nimelala, nikiamka nikajipata nimeumwa. So nikagezi ndo nilikuwa nimelala na yeye ndo aliniuma. Hapa ni convincing kubwa na ni kubwa, it's visible. You guys can clearly see it. It's very visible. That's what you guys.
If you down, I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know, yeah, if you down. Love is so showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like
I am searching, I'm looking for my keys. Okay, I'm just hoping they're here, because if not, I'll just have to go back to where I came from. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just praying. Okay, I'm hoping they're here. Yeah, finally. Oh my god, it's like I'm stepping on something. Kumbe ni pepa ya maji. Welcome back. Welcome to my house. This is the situation. Okay guys, if I could only show you the situation with my house, I will show you tomorrow. But these are clean clothes. I even hanged some on top of my bed. I really missed my space. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home and just don't mind my wig lines, by the way, and they look so good. I love how few they are. Anyway, nimetoka kwa Lie and it's currently at night. Imagine nilitoka 6 alafu kutoka hiyo gari haikuwa na mafuta, so the driver, I even recorded that part because it was so funny. The driver was just pushing the car and trying all he could ndo tufike at least place atapata mafuta. I was trying to understand him juu he was nice, by the way. He was such a nice Uber driver and tukaenda tukakunywa mafuta and here I am. Afu kufika hapa chini hapa kwa gate yetu, I had a lot of luggage. So kufika hapa chini kwa gate nikapata two boys tuwili. They were like, "Auntie, tukusaidie." I was so happy because nilikuwa nashanga because my cousin is not around. So nilikuwa nashanga who will help me kupandisha my luggage upstairs. Alafu it's so bad of me. Imagine me, I don't carry cash ever since time ya corona, ever since 2020 to 2020. Sijaikuwa na cash. So nilikuwa na contemplate nini nitawapea, like you know, no kids can just help you alafu uambie tu thanks with like you can do that. So juu nilikuwa na tu snacks hapa nimehave kuwapea juu hao si tu wako na M-Pesa, like ningewatip juu wamefanya kazi poa. Anyway, I want to give you guys a quick haul of what I got from Quickmart. I told you guys about it. I had just taken my friend to the supermarket, then there are a few things that I needed in my house and I had to get them before I do my main shopping. Yeah, so first of all I got these Hanan tissues. This is a 10 pack. I've never gotten these ones, but they are so cute. They are white. I think ile supermarket mimi naendanga sizionangi hizi tissues, plus nilifanya hesabu mi I normally buy 4 pack mara tatu. But this one is quite a save because this one was going for 400 bob only. Imagine this one was on offer and this one will take me a long time. And then I got these tumblers. Yeah, this one they were going for I think 40 bob. Yeah, I don't mind the whole thing going on here. There is a lot going on. And then I got this sugar. It was going for 220. MAs, I love MAs. So I got this one. It was going for I think 230. Yeah, 230. 235. Yeah. And then I didn't buy a box of milk today. I just added 5 of them. Each one of them was going for 30 bob. I bought this tangawizi chilies. I love this one, by the way. Then I got a pack of Indomie. I love Indomie. I eat Indomie almost every day in my house, so I got this one. And then I got a bar of soap, and this one normally takes me a long way. This hand wash imemwagika kidogo. Yeah, I don't have any remaining, so I got this one. And that's it about my mini shopping. And here, yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys around.
I could take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Let me feel so sure when I'm with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. Try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their lust if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put an ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know.